job.
Hell yeah, guys.
I can't get it to go. Yeah, you're tight.
Oh, okay.
RCG Racing, Reno Cycles and Gear. Getting it done. You don't get it to get here. The car looks pretty much intact, so nothing too major. Keeping it from, he's happy. He's had it on the roof. That's a good day right there. Hey, better late than never, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. First off, thank you to Legacy and VORRA for putting on just an absolutely stellar race. Huge thank you to Reno Cycles and Gear, Rugged Radios, GoPro, all of our sponsors on this car. Bill Herman, couldn't do this without him. He couldn't be here for this race, but couldn't do it without Bill. And then all these guys right here, Tom, Kevin, all these veterans, everybody that comes out and helps us out, SMC race team. Just an amazing day.
Well, that sounds like it. I mean, it sounds like it wasn't without its challenges. We had the mud out there was big. You see it all over the car. Fires out there. Cars catching on fire. One of the trucks lit on fire. And just all kinds of carnage out there. So tell me what happened with you out there.
Yeah, we had a pretty good run going the first half of the race, and then we caught a wash right after Gabs, and it knocked out high gear. So we ran the whole second half of this race in low gear.
That's got to be crazy. There was a few side-by-sides that came in today that said we couldn't even get over 45 miles an hour. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, all right, I'm done. Come get me. Is the car moving? Yeah, but I'm not finishing the race at 40 miles an hour. That takes gumption right there. That's awesome. That takes something crazy, and that's good. I'm glad you guys get that done.
Yeah, it was awesome. And 40 miles an hour stretching it.
Oh, jeez. Well, congratulations, man. I mean, that's the way to get it done. That's when you say, I'm really in this for the desert race, and you guys put it done, and here you are talking to me.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Let's start with this young man as well. I mean, long day, get it done, but you guys are here?
Yeah, we're here. I mean, yeah, it was a long day. Once we lost power and then lost our high drive, I mean, they were just crawling the whole time. So, I mean, it was a long race. It was good. Awesome terrain. I mean, I give props to you guys for putting that out there. I mean, you got from sand, dirt, mud, everything. And the markings were decent out there. I mean, it was pretty good. I mean, some of them were smashed. It was hard to find, but other than that, I mean, it was a good race. It was a good go.
That is the hard part about being one of the last cars is you wonder how many vehicles took out the, sometimes you even wonder, am I on the right road, or am I lost in sometimes turn out. Well, congratulations, guys, and here you guys, our first venture ever, Legacy and VORRA together, and we're glad to have guys just like you guys here.
Oh, no, thank you. Thank you for having us.